This is chapter 3, part 2. Picking up where we left off, if we go back here, take a look at your CN, your extraction operator with this, is that it reads in the data into the char variable. It skips all the leading white space, finds and stores only the character with it. So reading stops after a single character with it. That's what this is about. It stops right after it reads that first character. To read in data into an int or double with it, we can actually skips the leading white space. Same thing with this. Well, we'll stop until you have a white space or a non-digit letter. So you can actually put a number space and then the next number. It's going to stop where it is a non-digit character with it as well. Here, for example, let's take a look at these declaration right now. You have is your int, which is an integer for an A, B, double data type for a Z, which allows you to do decimal, a char for a CH. All these are all semicolon after it, so you can only put in a letter in here. So take a look at this statement. CN reads in extracting operator, reads in input for A will store in the memory of A, in the actual value with this, in CH with this. So remember, look at this right here. Okay, CN for AB, that's going to store AB, is held for, A is going to be stored, but B is going to be held for later input. Look at if you declare A as an int, okay, which is an integer, you put 48, the whole 48 now stores into A. A, again, you store, this is a double or float, right? So, and you declare A as an int, so it only takes the 48. It leaves the 0.35, which is the decimal, is the non-character, it does not recognize this right now. And you look at Z, Z is a double, so it's going to take the whole 74.35. Again, Z, if you took in Z, you input 39, it's going to put a decimal 0 after it because this is a double. You read in CZ, Z is what? A double. A is an int. So look, you put Z in, is going to be the whole 65.78, and then it's going to store the A as an int, which is a 38 with it. So take a look, practice this, because I guarantee you on the exam I will have something like this that you will have to be able to recognize, and so you can know what to put in. Maybe this one again. Int is A, double is Z, CH is a character. So you have an int, you have a character, you have Z is the double. So let's take a look at input. If you input in 57, this goes to A. CH now goes in and takes in, remember this is a space, so a non-character goes to the A, stores in CH. Z is a double, so it stores the whole 26.9. Got it? Look at this. Input in a 57, space, A, hit enter, comes down to the next line with this. So you have basically the same thing on this, no matter if this comes down to the next line with it. Take a look at this one. A goes into integer A. Letter A becomes a character as a char, and 26.9, so it still goes in the whole thing, regardless if you did return or space. What if you didn't put any space or return in here? What happens then? Look at your A. A now recognized as a 57, and then it bumps over. It doesn't recognize, it recognizes the CH as the A, is the CH, and then it comes over to the Z. Z is what? 26.9. So as you can see, it just reads across left to right like you input this. Stop right here.